Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. We completed the second unit, Still We Rise. Today, we will start the third unit. Students, do you love nature where you are living? Yes, because nature plays a major role in the lives of all organisms. From the time a being comes into existence, it immediately becomes aware of its inevitable bonding with the outside world. The creature begins its life by exploring the new surroundings, deciding how it may be able to cope with the environment and making all the essential adaptations. As the life form grows, it becomes more and more dependent on nature, realizing the importance of the trees, grass, and even the sky for its survival. Its life becomes meaningful only when it interacts with nature in a harmonious way. Students, the title of our third unit is Glimpses of Nature. This unit comprises of three chapters. They are the mountain and the squirrel, the rightful inheritors of earth, and the book of nature. This unit focuses on the exploration of nature and the development of an attitude to protect and preserve nature. Students, now I want to ask you some questions. All of you look at your palms. Are all your fingers similar in size? No, they are not similar in size. Which finger is the most important? Now all of you look at these pictures. Here you can see the different signs using the fingers. These signs using the fingers gives different meanings. Now tell me which finger is important? Yes, very good. All the five fingers are equally important for us. Now my question is, do you think anything in this world is less important? No, everything in this world is equally important. Every being on earth is equally important. Nothing is superior or inferior to any other. Here is a poem that gives you this message. What's the title of this poem? Or if you take page number 75, tell me the title of the poem. Yes, very good. The Mountain and the Squirrel. Who's the author of this poem? Take page number 76. Here you can see the profile of the author Ralph Waldo Emerson. Students, now shall we go through the profile of the author Ralph Waldo Emerson? Ralph Waldo Emerson, born in 1803 in Boston. He was an American philosopher, essayist, and poet. His main works are Self-Reliance, The Oversown, The May Day, etc. He wrote a lot about the relationship between man and nature. He was died in 1882. Hope you all understood the profile of Ralph Waldo Emerson. Students, what's the title of this poem? The Mountain and the Squirrel. Here you can see the picture of a mountain and the squirrel. Here the mountain has eyes, nose, mouth, ears, like human being. You can see a squirrel who is standing in front of a huge mountain. Students, I'll recite this poem for you. All of you listen attentively and find out the difficult words. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel, and the former called the latter Little Prig. Bun replied, "You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together to make up a year and a sphere. And I think it no disgrace to occupy my place. If I am not so large as you are not so small as I, and not half so spry. I'll not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track, Talents differ, all is well and wisely put. If I cannot carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut. Students, all of you recite this poem individually and write down the difficult words in a book. In the next class, we will discuss that difficult words and I'll explain this poem for you. See you in the next class with the explanation of this poem. Thank you, dear children.